Welcome back to the Car Time Future. Today, we're diving into article truly special, the 2026 Volkswagen Bus T1 Samba, an absolute admixture of awakening soul and avant-garde innovation. This is not just a revival, it's a complete reimagination of a figure that defined generations of chance and freedom. From the front, the new 2026 VW Bus T1 Samba instantly captures your heart. That signature V-shaped adenoids with its oversized Volkswagen adumbration remains proudly at the center, an accolade to the original Blazon 1 architecture from the 1950s. But now it's adapted with glassy LED matrix headlights amidst bi-circular daytime active lights, giving it a futuristic yet cornball personality. The two-tone acrylic accomplishment apparent actuality in candy red brownish and appearance black brings a comfortable blow to the beloved retro form. Chrome capacity emphasis the grille and bumpers, while avant-garde air intakes and a lower splitter accord this Samba a far added advancing and planted stance than any time before. From the side, the 2026 Samba maintains its box-like proportions, but lowers its center of force acknowledgement to a redesigned suspension arrangement and beyond 20 inches black multi-spoke admixture auto with red accents. The continued bottle panels and iconic breech windows pay admiration to the original 23-window bus, but every panel line is acicular with precision. The result is a seamless alloy of retro charm and avant-garde aerodynamics. Chrome trim curve breeze alluringly across the body, while attenuate LED accents near the rockers enhance afterimage at night. This isn't a loaf van anymore. It's a modern archetypal cruiser accessible for both city drives and continued weekend escapes. The back, Volkswagen's designers went all out. The VW adumbration already a fresh takes center stage, amidst by sharp horizontal LED appendage lights integrated cleanly into the tailgate, a feature that mirrors VW's latest design language. Below the rear bonanza is action-inspired, featuring cloister bankrupt outlets, a rear diffuser, and Samba badging in chrome that glows cautiously at night. Every curve feels deliberate, an accolade to the simplicity of the aboriginal T1, yet infused with an adumbration of performance DNA. Step central and you're greeted by a world that merges homesickness with state-of-the-art technology. The cabin is captivated in two-tone exceptional leather, featuring beach biscuit and graphite gray, with allegory red stitching. Ambient lighting outlines the dashboard and doors, while the across-the-board windows flood the amplitude with accustomed light. The cockpit itself feels futuristic. Digital disciplinarian display, a large infotainment touchscreen, and an electronic accessory selector alter the old manual setup. The signature two-spoke steering caster keeps the best spirit alive, but integrates modern multifunction controls. Its retro luxury area abundance meets connectivity. While Volkswagen hasn't officially confirmed all abstruse details, insiders advance that the 2026 T1 Samba will use amalgam electric powertrain, borrowing elements from the ID Buzz and the Atlas. Expect about 320 horsepower, all-wheel drive, and burning torque. Delivery for a decidedly quick acceleration from 0 to 100 km/h in around 6.5 seconds. The anatomy has been re-engineered for bigger suspension, featuring adaptive abeyance and disc brakes on all four corners. A massive leap from its best roots. The 2026 Volkswagen Bus T1 Samba is accepted to debut in backward 2025, with deliveries starting in aboriginal 2026. Pricing is accounted to activate around $110,000. Depending on trim levels and customization options, accession it as a high-end collector's copy rather than accumulation bazaar van. Volkswagen plans a bound assembly run, ensuring exclusivity for accurate enthusiasts and collectors who acknowledge heritage. Reborn through avant-garde engineering, the 2026 VW Bus T1 Samba isn't just transportation. Its effect on wheels. It represents the aureate age of analysis reimagined for the avant-garde disciplinarian who demands technology, luxury, and design excellence. If you adulation the activation of abstract like this, don't balloon to hit that like button, subscribe to the Car Time Future, and arena the alarm for added stunning automotive revivals aloof like this one. The accomplished has returned, and it drives better than ever. Subscribe the Car Time Future.